Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the child lock on your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. The child locks prevent the rear doors being opened from the inside. Oh yeah, to engage the child lock, we have to open the back side doors. The rear doors are now open, and then you will use the ignition key for it. The child lock, here it is. There it is. It is at the rear opening doors. Turn the ignition key in the right direction, as you can see. And now the child lock is enabled. That means this prevents the rear door being opened from the inside. Outside is still working, as you can see. Now have a seat at the back bench and let's try this child hook, not the child lock. Here you can see I'm not able to get off the car now. The child lock is now enabled. Oh yeah. Now we have to get out of the car, hit or enter the right side. It is a little bit dangerous. When the child lock is engaged, the inside door's handle will not function, and the door can only be opened from the outside. This is a little bit tricky because in case of an accident, you are not able to leave the car. This is a little bit dangerous, but it is more dangerous if your child will open your doors while you are driving, of course. So let's get out, and then we are going to disengage the child lock. Let's go outside. Here we are. For this, let's go here on the right side. It's the same. We rotate on the left side. It will be off. So let's go to the other side. There it is, enabled. No, to disengage the child lock, turn the ignition key in the opposite direction. Oh, here we go, on the left side. Now, the child lock is not working. Let's try this. Have a seat at the back bench and to close the door. And now, let's open the door. There it is. Child lock is disengaged. Okay, to engage the child lock, turn the ignition key in the right direction. To disengage the child lock, turn the ignition key in the opposite direction. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.